Hey, I'm Farm Dad, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your 1526 and 1626 Mahindra tractor.
I'm going to make this as quick and easy as possible. On your oil pan, under your tractor on the side of it that has the loader controls, you'll find a 17mm drain plug. Take this out and allow your oil to drain completely. It helps to have a warm engine.
While that's draining, go ahead and pop your hood and take the side cover off. Oil filter is going to be located right back here. The oil filter location on this doesn't allow for much access if you can't get the oil filter off by hand. I've tried using these rubber strap filter wrenches and I just can't get them in there to where I can get any grip to loosen it. I love using oil filter wrenches, but these are too large to fit on these filters. And that leaves the channel locks. And so I'll be using that today to get this filter off. If you don't have a large pair of channel locks, last resort for me always is drive a screwdriver through it and then turn it with the screwdriver. Slowly getting it to move. Gentleness is key here so that you don't squish the filter too far. Come on now. See if I can get it by hand now. Not quite. Man, the thing don't want to come off.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but I wanted to let you know that I have partnered with Super Clean. And if you hit that subscribe button right now, you're going to be entered for a chance to win a gift basket of cleaning products from them. So what do you have to lose? Click that subscribe button and help me out. Thanks.
I'm going to put a link in the video description for where to buy these Fram filters for your tractor. And Fram doesn't really make the best filter out there, but the thing I like about them for this application is the grippiness that they put on theirs. And that'll make it way easier for you to change your own oil the next time because you'll be able to grip with your fingers and get this thing off without having to use any tools. I like to go ahead and clean up the oil filter mating surface real good. And I'll also clean up the oil drain plug surface while I'm at it. Go ahead and dab some fresh oil around that oil filter O-ring and then install it.
And don't over tighten.
Put the drain plug back in. You fill the oil on this tractor right up here on the top of this manifold cover. I believe the capacity is around 4.7 quarts. I use Shell Rotella 15W40 oil.
You'll find your dipstick to check your oil level next to the oil filter. I hope this video helped you. If it did, would you mind helping me by clicking the subscribe button? We are a family of 6 living our best life on 90 acres in the Ouachita Mountains of Arkansas. And every time someone hits that subscribe button, it helps grow our channel. We appreciate you.